chat, pop out. I like the black one, not the white one, so I'm keeping this. Instead of going it from taking it from the regular YouTube page, I'm taking it from the YouTube live stream page. Hey. Go, finally. Perfect. Let me get YouTube chat up. vitamins. Oh, nice. damn it. There we go. Big ass bottles for like 20 bucks off mine of clothing spearmint. I got these menthol from, it's the house liquid from Vapor Maven. It fucking sucks, dude. I'll tell you what, dude, that shit's old as fuck, I bet. See if it even has a fucking expiration date or a date that they put it in. It has a batch number. It doesn't say. I did that. I don't. I'm never going there again, dude. That shit was nasty. No wonder it was buy two get one free. That's why I made such a big thing about not. Filling it back up hardly at all until I got these. Warning, this product contains nicotine and nicotine additive chemicals. What? But it's 0 milligrams of nicotine. I guess they just put that on everything. Yeah, this is 1/10 of a liter. So I've got, it's a little bit more than 1/10. It's 1.25 tenths. So it's 0.125 liters. So 10 of these would make a liter. So I've got 2.5 tenths of a liter here. And I know you're not supposed to use half when you're getting into fractions, but it's, anybody with a brain can understand what I mean. It means they're each 1.25. 12.5 times 2 is 25. 2.5 tenths of a liter. Now let's get the clove in there, because that's what I'm really excited about. They didn't even have clove, and they used to. And we'll add it all with just a tiny little bit of spearmint. Good, we'll see how that is. Oh, dude, finally an execute. Oh my god, I gotta get it. Please, I've always missed the executes. Now that I finally got one, I better get it. It's gonna take a minute to get all the menthol out. Yes! That's what's up, bitch. I think... Oh, wait. No, executor is what I want. I don't have execute already, do I? Well, I don't know now, because I just caught one. Now I gotta get on Twitch and see if I have 2 of them. I wanted an executor. That's what I meant. I could level mine up. I think execute's the one I always meant. I don't think I've ever seen an executor on here. Evolved Pokemon are rare to find, and you usually have to evolve your own. Let me go to Twitch and see. Sorry, there's good. No, it should be on mute.
To tell stories of Tatum's upbringing.
Yeah, no, it's not on mute. I'll put it on mute so it doesn't get all fucked up. Yeah, it looks like I just got one. How do I organize them? Name. What the fuck? There's one called Kink? Oh, its name is Clink. Okay, that was like, I was like, what the fuck? No, I only have one execute. Got two of a few other Pokemon. Got two of Frostmoth. I thought I had two Cubones. Cub Chew, is that like... No, it's a bear cub with a giant snot hanging down. Thought I had two Dittos too. That might... I'm getting my Pokemon card game for the Game Boy that I've been playing on the Switch infused with the Pokemon game on my Twitch. I got Gibble and a Gligar. I wonder if one evolves into the other. No, it evolves into something else. I got two Houndours. One's level 1, one's level 4. I've got two Iggly buffs, which is ridiculous. One's level 9, one's level 8. I'll give away one. Does Ladybud turn into Lady N? Yeah, I think it does. I got both of them. I got a Lunatone today, which I'm excited about because it looks cool. I got two Magmars, but I've got a Magmortar. Magmar evolves into Magnamar, I think, right? No, Magmortar. Then what does Magmortar evolve into? Is that Magnamar? No, it doesn't evolve. Huh, that must be next gen shit. Magmar. I don't know. I've got two Magnezones, two Maroctus, two Meowsticks, two Mucks. One's level 15, one's level 4. I know which one I'd be keeping. Bug-bite. What, did they change its type? It is... I don't know what that type is. It's round. It looks like a skull. Got a Nidorino. And a Pikachu. Got a Shroomish. Why has it got like a frown on it? change this so you guys can see what's going on. Oh, perfect. It's right there, so I don't even have to move it. Got 2 Voltorbs. Okay, that's the only doubles I have. I should start a new team. Oh, and I better go to their Discord real quick and do hashtag Pokedaily. If you do that, you get rewards. What the fuck? Where's the normal? What the hell? I guess it changed, dude. The mobile app has changed for Discord. What the hell? Why am I even getting on this? Oh, for the Pokedaily Discord, dude. Yeah, this must have literally like just happened today. Oh man, there was a space in between my exclamation mark and Pokedaily that would have sucked. It's on slow mode, so you can only do it once every 1.5 minutes, once every 100 or once every 90 seconds. I mean, I'm blue dotted, D dotted, rare reward. Um, I got $462, 3 phantom balls, 3 fastballs, and 3 friend balls. I don't know what any of those are, but it's rare. I get a lot of rare rewards here. And ultra rare rewards. I get more rare stuff than common stuff. Let's see what the hell those things are. It's a fastball. Rare Pokeball that is especially useful on Pokemon with the base speed stat of 100 or higher. How do I know that? 80% catch rate. I'm not gonna sell them. What the fuck is a Feather Ball? Oh. Obviously. What's a Friend Ball? A nice looking ball which is more effective on Pokemon that share a type with your buddy Pokemon. My buddy Pokemon is Pikachu, so I could use a Friend Ball on an electric Pokemon. What's its catch rate? 70%. Nice. Of course, I've still got one Great Ball. I never buy it. The only balls I ever buy are regular Pokeballs and Ultra Balls. Great Cherish Ball. What's the difference between that and a Great Ball? I think it makes shiny Pokemon more like. Modified Cherish Ball with a better catch rate has a higher chance to catch a shiny Pokemon. But its catch rate is only 55%. Even though it's an Ultra Ball. And there's a Stunky. I've seen these a lot lately. So I'm not gonna go for any crazy balls because it'll probably come up again, and I think I even might have seen one earlier today. Sorry oh, I don't think you could see that. I was like, sorry, that was a DM, like personal messages between my cousin and I. Not that there's anything bad on them, but or anything about anybody. It's just shit to do with him, my cousin and I. But Heal Ball. What the hell is a Heal Ball? A rare Pokeball that is especially useful on Pokemon with a base HP stat of 100 or higher. It's a weird name for it. Heavy Ball, I'm sure that's good for like rock Pokemon or something. Scaling with weight 20 to 80% for the heaviest Pokemon. Didn't catch it. What's a Luxury Ball? A rare ball with a fancy appearance massively increases the sell price of a Pokemon caught with it. Huh. Again, that ball's good for catching bugs. What's a Phantom Ball? I just got these. A creepy looking ball, higher catch rate on ghost type. Figured. No, I don't want to sell those. I like ghost types. Regular Pokeball. Every time you type in Pokecatch, it uses a Pokeball. A Premier Ball is like, it's the same as a Pokeball, but you get them as gifts or rewards, I should say. And there's a Quick Ball, 10 to 90%, a somewhat different Pokeball that has a more successful catch rate if used at the start of a wild encounter. So, oh dude. But, if I just typed it in and sat there and wait, it comes up every 15 minutes, so you know when it's going to come up, and you can set that up, but you wouldn't know what Pokemon it is, so as soon as it come up and you hit enter, you'd have 90% chance, but you wouldn't know what Pokemon it was until you read it. There's one of those that's also, it's like that, but you have to wait till the end instead of the beginning, and you have a minute and a half as soon as the Pokemon comes up before it escapes. Stone Ball. A rare ball with an increased chance to drop an evolution stone? What? That's insane. It just drops an evolution stone. Timer ball, is that the one that... Yeah, the closer it's escaping, they used to only go up to 80%, but now they go up to 90%, which is higher, which is why I never used them, because 80% is an ultra ball, and why? But now they go up to 90%, or maybe I was always wrong, and just they were always 90%. An ultra cherish ball is the same as a great cherish ball. Mood mint. What's that? Delicious mint, which completely changes the nature of your Pokemon? That sounds like a trip. I've got rare candies. By 5? Oh boy. Oh, I got 2 water stones. What do I contain? Oh, dude. I want to evolve my Magikarp. No, I don't want to sell the damn stone. My Magikarp. Makin. No. Oh. Let me see. Has to be level 20. Wait, I have to have a Pokedex entry for Gyarados for him to evolve into one? What the fuck? What the fuck is the point then? And why do I need a flying stone and a water stone? What the fuck? Get him the fuck off my team. Ditto the fuck off. If you can get out. Out and out. Oh yeah, I forgot I had a Machoke. I wonder what it takes to evolve them. Level 40. Why do you have to have a Pokedex entry? of the evolved Pokemon to evolve a Pokemon into it. That's fucking pointless. That's dumb as shit about this game. Everything else I like about this game. 4 fucking fighting stones? Jesus. But this dude's a badass. But that dude has fucking 4 arms. Yeah, okay, you just right click. I don't know, maybe I shouldn't use him. It's everything is like super bad. But I want to use it. No. Oh shit, I put him on. What does he do? Okay, he's just got good shit. Oh, dude, nice. He's psychic and water. Its mouth should be under its tentacles, though, but whatever. Well, I mean, it's not an octopus, it's a Pokemon. I think I'll keep it. That's the highest level Pokemon I have. I don't know if it's, what does it evolve? Oh, it doesn't evolve. Oops. I mean, come on, dude. Google. At what point are you just gonna say it's absolute zero? It's broke. Damn, that was a lot of zeros. $460. Okay, so it was double that. What is... Yeah, okay, it's negative 273 degrees Kelvin. That's where I think that's what I was gonna say. I was wondering if I was thinking of Kelvin. What goes in Armaldo? Or 0 degrees Kelvin, 200, yeah, sorry, 0 Kelvin, and then I think, no, that's Celsius, 100 Celsius is boiling. But 0 Kelvin is absolute zero. But Celsius is 273 degrees. So I got Celsius and Fahrenheit confused. That's why I thought it was absolute zero. And I was like, its skin is negative 240 degrees Fahrenheit? Isn't that like absolute zero? It was almost absolute zero in Celsius. Oh, I caught it. Why is it showing a molecule? Like, yeah, everything's, all molecules are just, actually, by the time the universe hits absolute zero, uh, space-time should have broken down enough, and inflation should have caused, you know, atoms to not be able to exist anymore. Everything's turns into elementary particles and then freezes in a soup of elementary particles, and that's how the universe is fated to end. Possibly, if entropy keeps going to infinity, then yeah. It'll eventually keep going and going, and if it goes to infinity, then uh, the most it can reach is putting everything into such a state where it's nothing but elementary particles and everything is at absolute zero, meaning it can't move. There's there's no heat, no energy, no light, anything, anywhere in the universe, and all the particles are as disorganized as they could possibly be. It'd be impossible to put that universe unless you had a time machine or something weird happened with time. It'd be impossible to make that universe back out of the elementary particles that everything had turned to and turned to still without any energy. It'd be like you setting a fucking piece of paper on fire and trying to put the air and water that escapes from burning paper, all the chemicals, or, you know, like carbon and all the molecules that burned off in the fire, the energy of the fire, the light from the fire, uh, the leftover ashes and everything from the fire. It'd be impossible to put that back into a piece of paper. It's just not. I mean, that's insane, and that's how the universe is fated to end. Now, if somehow a rip in the universal fabric of space-time could let energy in that affects, if there is any energy in the system, it cannot be absolute zero anymore, so it could affect and make these particles evolve and into particles again, but it'll get snuffed out if everything around it is at absolute zero. It would take an immense amount of energy to restart the universe and turn those elementary particles into molecules again, which would only be a hydrogen molecule, to turn them into protons and electrons again, and hope to God that they collect together to become stars that blow up to become the elements that we need above iron, and turn into a universe in a few billion years of accretion and star accretion and then planet accretion. I'm pretty sure that's how the early universe began. A whole bunch of gigantic ass stars started forming from huge clouds of condensing gases, giant nebulas, like probably bigger than anything we can see in the night sky now, turning into these insanely massive stars that sometimes might get turned into a black hole or blow up into one, and maybe could have formed the supermassive black holes in some galaxies. Maybe that's where some came from. I don't fucking actually know where those came from. It takes a lot of mass to make a black hole, let alone a supermassive black hole at the center of a galaxy. Those are insane. That's why they call them supermassive. That's what I like about astronomy. They pretty much call shit what it is. And you know, it takes, stars can fuse elements up to the element of iron, and once they fuse iron, which is the first heavy metal on the periodic table of elements, and everything after it is also a heavy metal chemically. Then a star pretty much is signed its death certificate, and it collapses, and if it's big enough it blows up into a supernova, or into a neutron star, even with neutron pulses coming out. That all that energy creates even more fusion. It's hotter than the core of the star was, I guess, because it fuses iron and other elements together to become all the other elements that we know of that everything is made out of, like our Earth. So without stars we wouldn't have anything but iron, and that'd make life pretty fucking hard, I think, without a lot of these reactive things that are above iron. Imagine if the periodic table was only 11 elements long. I'm pretty sure iron is the 11th element. Let me see. That's not iron, that's iridium. What's iron's sign? Well, those are all way too... Is that... It's Fe, actually. It should be Fe, whereas there's an F. No, it should be Fe. That's 6, 9, 15, 13, 11 is sodium, so no. Hydrogen, helium, lithium. There it is. Fe, iron. It's the 26th element. So imagine if our elemental table was only 26 elements long. You can do a lot with these minerals. Where's carbon? Is that 4? No, 4 is barium. Carbon is 6. And then you have carbon and oxygen to have carbon dioxide, which started life on our planet. They ate carbon dioxide and pooped out the oxygen, and the carbon became like rock around them, and they're called stromatolites. Those were, I think, some of the first known life on our planet, and it gave, what does this little thing mean by my Pokemon? It says the citizen, and then there's a little circle. I've seen that before. Does that mean I caught a shiny or something? I'll have to look. Fuck, now I forgot what I was talking about. We made, I guess, Laurentium. Where the hell is... Here it is, plutonium. Americium, we made that. Puricium. See, the original periodic table was, I think, this. And it was missing spots, but because they had it laid out, there's different ways to lay the periodic table out as well. This is just the one that scientists latched onto. But there's different ways that other original people that didn't have this in a textbook that made their own periodic tables and to help them with their chemistry. And there was missing elements, and we were able to find these elements because of the periodic table and make some of them. I wonder if these are this color because they're made. I don't know. Tennessee. Is that where that big particle... No, I think that's in Boston. Part of the particles are in America that made it. But see, I don't know if plutonium naturally exists, but uranium definitely does. So I know some of these are... Oh, it tells us right here. I don't know what an antiside is. Yeah, the alkali earth metals. These are not alkali earth metals. These are noble gases. Yeah, why do they use the same color for the alkali earth metals and noble gases? What the hell is that? Elemental group, or elemental series encompassing the 14 metallic chemical elements with atomic numbers from 89 to 102. Actinium through nobelium. There's a Rookity in chat. Damn it. Yeah, Neptunium, berkelium, yeah, plutonium is man-made. I was right. Californium, I knew that. Americium, I told you that. Einsteinium, if I had seen, I forgot about that one, but yeah. Curium, yeah, and fermium, all named after these last three named after famous physicists. Obviously, Americium after America. Californium after California. Plutonium, that was an early man-made one from nuclear tests. Berkelium is probably at California, University of Berkeley, and Neptunium, I don't know why the fuck they name it Neptunium. I didn't catch it. Promethium. Fuck is promethium? Promethium is a chemical element that has the symbol PM and atomic number of 61. All of its isotopes are radioactive. And all of its isotopes are radioactive apparently. It is extremely rare, with only about 5 to 600 grams naturally in Earth's crust at any given time. 5 to 600 grams. That's just a little over a pound. A pound is 448 grams. So that's a half a kilogram, basically, on Earth at any given time. And they have a sample of it right there. It means we made it. Promethium, astatine. I need my reading glasses. Where'd they go? Shit, I need to bring the... No one said anything in the YouTube chat. I need to bring it up. Give it up. Promethium, astatine, neptunium, and plutonium, which were discovered through synthesis before being found in nature. Elemental name, chemical symbol, atomic. So I guess those ones are found in nature, but they were found by nuclear tests, probably. Americium, berkelium, and livermorium after places named for them. The cities of Berkeley in California, Livermore in California. Americium also naturally occurs in uranium minerals, but only in trace amounts. The main source of the element is the neutron bombardment of the plutonium in nuclear fuel. I'm assuming is how they actually get it. Curium, that's obviously named after Madame Curie. Curium is a synthetic chemical element that has a symbol Cm and atomic number 96. Wait, I thought... Oh, plutonium's 94. The transuranic actinide element was named after eminent scientist Marie and Pierre Curie, both known for their research on radioactivity. Both killed them both too. Curium, CM named after Pierre Marie Curie. Okay, that's just more of it. Why plutonium? Since it wasn't a planet anymore, they named it, they gave it an element. Where'd it go? Where would plutonium go? Oh, here it is. Plutonium is a chemical element. Well, 94. Wait. I just realized plutonium was named after Pluto. I don't know if it was named after Pluto, actually. It's mainly for its use in atomic bombs and nuclear reactors, and elements with atomic numbers greater than 99 have any uses outside of scientific. They might not grow in nature either, because there's a lot of elements that we've made that can only exist for a split second, but we've okay, so plutonium doesn't naturally occur element, it naturally is an element. Yeah, okay, here we go. This one looks good. Synthetic elements. There's that one that's... No, fuck off. There's that one that's... Let's find a better one I can get into. There's whatever. There's that one that's small. I don't know what it is. Then there's these ones. These ones. Plutonium. No, that's just 61. Plutonium is 64, I thought. That says it's gadolinium. Plutonium is 94, dumbass. Okay, but it... Well, I need a key. Where's the fucking key? Where's green? Americium, curium, all the way to Lawrencium. I think that's Lawrencium. This one has a key on it. That I can't goddamn read. What? Why are you asking me that?